What's up, guys? Mike Pittman, CEO of Connected Solutions Group, coming to you today from our lab and our headquarters here in Richmond, Virginia. Super excited to do our unboxing video and unveil our beautiful new CSG M106. This, to me, guys, is the most exciting thing that we've done as a Verizon partner. Most exciting thing we've done from a custom product engineering standpoint. We are bringing our own device to market, the CSG M106. We are the OEM. We are going to support this product ourselves. We're going to do something that our channel really hasn't seen, and that is bring our own device to market and push it direct to the end user with your help, and we're going to provide an entirely new level of support for this customer through their entire time period that they own this device. So the CSG M106, we're going to do a really cool unboxing video here. You're going to hear from our lead engineer, Nicholas, in just a moment. He's going to throw some insights into why this is such a special product, and we're going to dive right in right now. Let's go. Alright guys, it's the CSG M106. Here we go. We're going to open this sucker up. We're very excited about it. This has been a year and a half in the making. This is the first time that we have brought a Verizon certified product to market ourselves. We have custom engineered and designed other devices, but they have been utilizing other carrier equipment or other OEM equipment. This is completely our own, built by CSG, and we're very excited about it. So the packaging itself, very clean and retail ready. As you can see, this is a smaller device. It's designed to be small so you can take it with you in a mobile capacity, or if you need to mount it in a server room or put it somewhere inside your office or facility, it doesn't take up much space. So the packaging itself, very nice and clean and retail ready. We designed this internally, and we feel like we did a good job of getting a lot of critical information on the retail packaging itself. We spared no expense with the packaging. We think presentation to your customers is a very big deal. So we're going to go ahead and slice the sucker open. You have the exterior sleeve, which is removable, and it reveals a package that's kind of similar to Apple-style packaging. It's very tight and concise. Everything that you need from a IMEI and MAC address and SIM-ID standpoint is right there on the outside, including your password and all of your information there. You're going to slide the top off and reveal the M106. Inside the packaging here, we're going to start with our user guide, which is a very simple introduction on how to get set up and get logged in and utilizing the Verizon network on your device. Then you're going to have your support and warranty card, which obviously is very critical. We're very excited that CSG, as the OEM, is going to be able to actually support our own equipment. You call in to support, you're not getting, call centers or things like that. You're getting CSG employees who helped develop this product and have spent hours and hours figuring out how to support customers and to properly get them going in the right direction. We're going to have our warranty card here as well. There is obviously a 1-year manufacturer warranty on these devices, but then there's also some additional warranty options that we can provide for the customer, which we can talk about through the selling process. When you get into the device itself, there's a lot going on here for such an affordable device, and it's one of the many reasons that we're so excited. So the M106 itself, we'll start with the device. As you can see, it's actually going to come in its mounting bracket, which is optional for you to use. But we're very happy with the way the bracket itself turned out. It's just even these little details, we wanted to spare no expense on the quality. This is not a super flimsy piece of plastic. This is a nice solid mounting bracket. It actually comes with the mounting hardware as well, so that if you want to put this in your office and you want to permanently mount it, maybe even in a vehicle, there's some ways that we can go about helping you with that. There's a lot of different ways that you can utilize the mounting hardware, which comes uniformly in every box. And a lot of the other manufacturers out there, it's an add-on feature and you can purchase it. We wanted to make sure that that was an option for you, for every customer that purchases it. So the device itself.
Every M106 is preloaded into the cloud management portal, which our support team has access to. They're also able to provide direct access to you in your own private account. But if you need to get your M106 up and running quickly, we've provided a QR code on the bottom of the device that you can scan with your phone, and it'll pull up the user manual directly.
Got your IMEI, your SSID, your password, your MAC address, everything you need right there under CSG M106 LTE wireless router. It does have the rubber soles here and feet, so that if you wanted to have it on a table or something like that, it doesn't slip or fade or move around. The device itself has a lot of different features that we're really excited about on the price point. For the price point, it really does kind of separate from other manufacturers out there. First of all, you have both a WAN and LAN port.
Having a WAN port on here was essential for us. Having dealt with a multitude of other devices in this price range, the ability for the m106 to utilize another internet connection as primary or backup makes it the best value in its class and allows it to be used in just about any scenario from work from home to retail to failover.
Which seems very, standard, but for devices that fall in the price range that we're going to be offering here, that's not really standard, and it actually does provide a lot of options and different things that you can do, from failover, inline failover, IP pass-through, and a lot of different functionalities that allows you to do. You've got your icon bar here, which will light up and have different indications that you can check in your setup manual about what they exactly mean, but you've got a lot of different system indicators right there on the front of the device. You've got your USB 2.0 out port right here, which you can actually manually charge an ancillary device, almost like a battery pack, with the battery system that's in this device. And I haven't even mentioned that yet, but inside the device, which we're not able to show you, is a 5,000 mAh battery system that lasts up to 8 hours on an individual charge. So it's a really powerful battery. You can take this device with you on the go if you'd like. Again, you can just hard mount it and hardwire it into power, but it really gives the customer a lot of flexibility that a lot of other solutions out there do not offer. So just to show you the other sides of the device, you've got obviously your SIM slot and your SD card area right there. You've got your cooling system on that side. You've got your on-off switch here, your reset with a paper clip or a pin that you can reset the device to factory settings here. You've got that USB port, your WAN and LAN, and your power adapter cable there. So a lot of really cool stuff going on. Very compact. You can use my hand as a reference for just how small and compact the device is. So to continue with the unboxing, we've got some very high gain antennas from Panorama here, and I think that's very significant for us to mention here. Obviously it's in the box, but a lot of different manufacturers, you have to purchase these.
We tested multiple manufacturers to determine which antennas we included with the m106, and Panorama outperformed the competition by a fair margin.
As an add-on, and we've included them because, signal efficiency is everything in the game, right? You need to have maximum signal to get maximum bandwidth, so we wanted to get you quality antennas. These are made by Panorama, one of the best antenna manufacturers in the game, and I want to give them a shout out for helping us with this project. So this isn't just a token paddle antenna that's thrown in a box, to make it look like we're giving you a tool for better signal. This is true, OEM high quality grade antennas right here, which come static in every box. You've got your power adapter and charger, which comes with the obviously the North American plug, but you have the ability to even put a European plug on it if you'd like, if there was some reason that you were traveling with the device. And you've got your Ethernet cable that comes in the box as well. So that's everything that comes inside the box. We're going to have our engineer talk to you a little bit more throughout this video about why these features that I'm showing you on the device itself are important, and how this device is going to be revolutionary, at least at its price point, in its capabilities for Verizon and its customers. So that's the CSG m106. We're super excited about it. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Thanks for watching, and make sure to visit our website to see how CSG can improve your business. Don't forget to click below and subscribe.